Why Numpy can save and load objects different than Numpy arrays. I was trying to make another point and accidentally saved a dict using numpy np.save. To my surprise, there seemed to be no problem at all with that approach. I tried the above with another object that it's not np.array like a list, and it seemed to work fine. For example, the following code saves and loads an object using np.save and np.load. True. So, my question is, why is this succeeding anyway, since in the documentation only arrays are mentioned? And similarly, if it was meant to deal with other objects, which objects can be handled? I know there are some limitation regarding pickle which could affect the nature of object that could be handled, but a lot of unclear points still exist. Edit. I thought that np.save was just trying to convert the object passed as parameter to numpy array, but that does not make any sense in some cases like dict. For example, a dict passed to a np.array does not seem to be functional at all. numpy.nArray.
Numpy.save documents its argument as array-like. As per Numpy, formal definition of array_like objects, the underlying .c column array underscore fromany accepts. Specifically for dict, the execution path goes like this. numpy/mpo.py, numpy/core/numeric.py column array. .c column underscore array underscore from object. .c column array underscore check fromany, the aforementioned array underscore fromany. There. A demo. This list was converted to an array and saved. The dictionary was wrapped in a 0D object D-type array, and saved with pickle. The array within the dictionary was pickled with save. np.save uses pickle where needed to handle non-array objects, and pickle uses save to handle array objects.
Чего-чего-чего, это существо.